Dear students, today I discuss some graphs. Look here now. For example, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay? Here now, y-axis quantity, x-axis quantity, both are directly proportional. Okay? Once again I repeat, y-axis physical quantity, x-axis physical quantity, both are directly proportional. According to mathematics, the graph is a straight line. What is the condition? Y-axis physical quantity, x-axis physical quantity, both are directly proportional. The graph is a straight line. Okay? Next, Nana, we discuss another model graph. Look here. Here, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Okay? In the situation, y-axis physical quantity, x-axis physical quantity, both are inversely proportional. Both are inversely proportional. The graph shape is rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. Y-axis, x-axis directly. Graph shape is straight line. Y-axis, x-axis both are inversely proportional. The graph shape is rectangular hyperbola. A best example, Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, pressure of the gas inversely proportional to volume of the gas. Here, pressure taken as y-axis, volume taken as x-axis. The graph shape is rectangular hyperbola. This is the Boyle's law graph. This is the best example is Charles law. What is the Charles law? Volume of the gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Here, volume can be taken as y-axis, temperature can be taken as x-axis. Y-axis, x-axis directly proportional. The graph shape is straight line. Okay? Look here now. Next, another third graph is, look here now. Hold on a second. Graph is, look here now. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. The third graph is, the equation is y equal to kx square. Once again I repeat, y equal to kx square. Y is physical quantity taking on y-axis. The physical quantity taking on x-axis. The equation we get, the final equation we get, y equal to kx square. Y equal to kx square. The graph shape is here, Nana. This equation in the mathematics called as parabola. What is the equation? Y equal to kx square. This is the shape of the graph, Nana. The graph is called, the graph shape is called parabola. And again, look here, fourth graph, Nana. Today I discuss. Here, y-axis, x-axis. Okay? Here, Nana, the equation, final equation in the question, we get y square equal to kx. Once again I repeat, y square equal to kx. That is y equal to kx square. Here y square equal to kx. This is also called as parabola equation in the mathematics. The shape of the graph is here, Nana. Look here. This is the shape of the graph. Okay, this is the shape of the graph now. This graph is called what nana? Parabola. Next nana, the equation 5. The equation 5 nana, the graph 5. Look here nana. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Finally, we get in the concept the equation is y equal to ax minus bx square. Finally, we get conclusion equation is y equal to ax minus bx square. This equation in the mathematics is called as inverted parabola. Once again I repeat, inverted parabola. This is the shape of the graph now. Look here. I give 5 graphs nana. First graph is y directly proportional to x. Second graph is y inversely proportional to x. Third graph is y equal to kx square. Fourth graph is y square equal to kx. Okay. Fifth graph is y equal to ax minus bx square. Y equal to ax minus bx square equation is called inverted parabola equation. Okay. This is the fifth graph nana. Next nana, I give conclusion. Look here nana, I give conclusion. The graph number 6th one nana. Look here. Next nana, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis now. Look here. Okay. The given equation, final equation, we conclude x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Once again I repeat, what is the concluding equation in the mathematics? X square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1. This is the mathematics ellipse equation. Okay. The equation name is ellipse equation. Okay. This is the ellipse equation nana. Look here. Here nana, this is the A nana. This is the B nana. Here A indicate length of the semi-major axis. B is called length of the semi-minor axis. What is the equation? Ellipse equation. Ellipse is nothing but the in our daily life egg shape now. Okay. That is also called as oval shape. Okay. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Finally, we get the ellipse equation. This is the shape of ellipse. Ellipse is nothing but the egg shape or oval shape. Okay. Next, nana, the graph 7. Look here, nana. Finally, graph number 7, nana. Okay. Look here. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Final equation we get x square plus y square equal to a square. In the mathematics, this is called as circle equation. Okay. Here, this is the shape of the graph nana. X square plus y square equal to a square is called circle equation. In the circle, this is called radius. Here radius is a. Look here nana. What is the a indication here? Radius of the circle. X square plus y square equal to a square. This is called as circle equation. Okay. Next, the graph number 8 nana. Look here. The graph number 8. 8th graph nana. 8th graph. Here nana, look here. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. Here nana, for example, the equation finally we get y equal to mx. In the mathematics, this is called slope equation. M is called slope, Nana. Slope is nothing but the tan theta in the mathematics. Y equal to mx. Here y is y-axis, x is x-axis. So that's why simply y directly proportional to x. Now y directly proportional to x. This graph gives always straight line passing through origin. What is the y equal to mx graph, Nana? Graph is a straight line passing with origin. Origin. This is the origin. Okay. Next, Nana, ninth graph. Look here, Nana. The graph number 9. All of you very look here, Nana, carefully. Graph number 9. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. This is very important equation. This is also called as slope equation. Y equal to mx plus c. Here, Nana, suppose if x equal to 0, Nana, x equal to 0, then what happens the equation? Y equal to c. Suppose x is 0, then y equal to 0 into anything 0, y equal to c. Here x is 0 in the mathematical meaning is the point lie on the y-axis. Once again I repeat, x is 0, that meaning is the point, taken point is on the y-axis. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అంటే నేను ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఈ వాల్యూ is x is 0. x is 0 means the point 100% lie on the y-axis here. In this distance is c because y equal to c. Okay, this graph is y equal to mx, Nana. That means the graph gives the straight line. Here plus m is given. Plus m is means positive slope. That means x increases, y also increases. This is the straight line, Nana. Look here. This is the straight line. This is the, here why it is increasing order, because here m is positive, that is called positive slope, Nana. X increases, y also increases, that's why this is the straight line graph. This is called slope equation. Next, Nana, last graph, very important graph. Last graph, very important graph, Nana. 10th graph, look here. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. For example, y equal to minus x plus c, Nana. Suppose here also first substitute x becomes 0. What is the y value? C. Okay. What is the y value, Nana? C. Look here, Nana. Here x0 means the point lie on the y-axis. This value is here c, Nana. Okay. Here y equal to minus mx. Minus m means negative slope. Negative slope means x increases, y what happens? Decreases. X increases, y decreases. Simply this is the straight line. Straight line with negative slope is, Nana. Identi positive slope. These are all our graphs, Nana. According to condition to draw in your own way, okay, in your own ideology, to draw all graphs. Okay, look here, Nana. Stop the second.